Let us look at auto type of declaration. C++11 allows auto type of variable declaration. Usually we declare the variables of type integer or float or some data type we mention. Suppose we don't know the data type that we require and it depends on the results that we are obtaining, then we can use a auto declaration. For example, if I have an expression, let us say I am saying 2 multiplied by 5.7 plus character A, and this I want to store it in some variable that is X. So what should be the data type of this one? So instead of finding out the exact data type that required, I can say auto, and this will perform these operation. Whatever the data type that is required, X will be declared of that type, and I can say cout X and you can see the result. And I don't have to decide what is the data type required. If I study this is a character type and this is a integer type and this is double type. So finally the result of the expression will be double type. So the type of variable that I require is double. So if I write double, it will not be an error. Yes, auto means automatically it becomes double. Let us run this and see. You got the answer, that is 108.4. Now let us have some variable that is double d assign 12.3 and integer I assign 9. Then here I will use into d and this is I. Let us run. I got the result something like 33.6. So here I don't have to know what is the data type I require. This is one method. Now I'll just remove this and I'll show you more. See, suppose I am calling a function fun, and there on the top I have defined a function fun which returns a float type of value. And when I'm calling a function, some function, I don't know what is the type of value that's going to return. So I can simply say auto x. So a variable type is auto. Automatically compiler will decide what is the type of value required and it will make x of that compatible type. Yeah, answer I got is 2.54. So that's it. So this is working. So auto is a very powerful and very useful feature of C++. It gives some peace of mind to the programmer when he is using library functions or he is calling some functions of the classes which are readily available. He need not know what is the data type required. He can take the help of auto. So it saves the time of programmer. There's one more feature of C++, that is declaration type. Suppose already I have some variable integer and float. Then if I want to declare one more variable z, and this z should have the same data type as y, so we can say DCLTYPE, that is declaration type of y, and it should be z. And to this I can assign some value something like 12.3. Data type of z will be same as data type of y. So from the existing variables we can capture their data types and we can use the same data type for the new variables.